Breezm glasses celebrate diversity and individuality like no other eyewear brand has before.
I used to hide behind frames that were uncomfortable and didn't fit.
That I had to readjust all day.
Or that didn't suit my face or my active lifestyle.
Now, I wear Breezm glasses that use cutting-edge technology to manufacture one-of-a-kind, custom frames designed to fit my specific measurements and offer features that are perfect for my life in tech, like blue light filtration.
Breezm frames feel and look better than any glasses I've had before because they weren't made to be one size fits all. They were made just for me.
Whether you have a narrow or broad nose, prominent features, or a petite face, Breezm glasses are guaranteed to fit the facial characteristics that make you unique.
Getting my own completely custom Breezm frames is incredibly simple. With the Breezm iOS mobile app, I can complete a 3D scan of my face right from my phone. This highly detailed scan detects all the measurements essential for creating a perfect fitting pair of glasses, like face width, forehead height, pupillary distance, nose height and length, and even optical characteristics like pantoscopic angle.
And with a wide variety of exclusive designs, all available in 8 different colors, Breezm frames allow me to express myself unapologetically.
My frames are then manufactured by precision industrial 3D printers using high-quality FDA and safety-approved PA12 materials.
Breezm frames are approximately the weight of a pair of earbuds, making them up to 6 times lighter than the standard glasses brands. Yet they remain incredibly durable and flexible, no matter what life throws at you, or at them.
These frames are also eco-friendly. Ready-made glasses manufacturers mass-produce their frames and can waste up to 90% of their material. But Breezm creates each pair of frames to order, leaving virtually no waste behind.
Breezm is filling a massive gap in the eyewear industry, harnessing technological advances that improve eyewear design and function for everyone while maintaining affordability. Because everyone deserves glasses that both complement who they are and provide unparalleled comfort. Don't settle for uncomfortable cookie-cutter glasses. Celebrate the future of eyewear.
Celebrate your heritage.
Celebrate you. Breezm.